Hello, see you again in Unit 1, Social and Communication Skills, Week 2, Lesson Part 2. In the previous video, you have learned how to agree to suggestions courteously. So what are you going to learn in this video? You are going to learn 1.1.3, how to disagree to suggestions courteously. In a conversation, when you disagree with someone, it means you reject an idea or suggestion. You fail to agree with an idea or suggestion given. Or it simply means you have the opposite view with the opinion given. It's easier to agree than disagree. Many of us either shy away completely from disagreements or lose it when things don't go our way. But remember, it is not wrong to disagree. There are ways that can help keep disagreements constructive. For example, don't make it personal. If you disagree with an idea or suggestion, don't make it personal to you. If you get upset, it can help to remember you are mad at the idea or the suggestion or the concept which is being raised by your parents or your friends or your lecturer, not the person, the idea, not the person. And avoid putting down the other person's ideas and suggestions or beliefs. If you have ever been on the receiving end of someone's put downs, you know how valuable using respectful language and behavior can be. So it is very important for you to respect another person's point of view, even if you disagree with that person. Do not put him or her down, or do not put his ideas or his suggestions or his beliefs down. And also, I believe that staying calm is very important when you disagree to an idea or suggestion. This is the most important thing you can do to keep a conversation on track. Of course, it's a huge challenge to stay calm when you feel angry about something. You need to be the mature one who manages the conversation, even if the other person is someone who is older than you or someone who knows better than you. So in conclusion, what I am trying to highlight here is that when you disagree in a conversation, you need to be considerate and respectful towards the other person so that it will be a constructive disagreement. Let me ask you a question. Which is a better way for you to disagree? By saying, "That's a stupid idea," or by saying, "I don't agree, and here is why"? Yes, of course, choosing the right and polite phrase is very important when you disagree with a suggestion. In this slide, there are many ways or many phrases on disagreeing with a suggestion politely. Let's look at the 5 phrases highlighted in this slide. Somehow, I don't think that will work. No, I have to disagree with you this time. I'm sorry to be on the opposite or opposing end, but I must disagree. Actually, I would rather we think of another plan. I'm sorry to say that I don't quite like the idea. I'm not sure I can be 100% with you on that. So when you disagree to a suggestion in a conversation or during your group discussion, make sure that you choose a polite phrase to disagree. Let's do another role play using phrases on disagreeing with a suggestion politely. I am going to be person A and you are going to be person B. I will read out the dialogue of person A and I want you to respond to my suggestion by reading out the dialogues on both the yellow boxes. Are you ready? Let's start. How do you feel about going shopping with me tomorrow? Good. Let's try that one more time. I want you to read it out aloud. How do you feel about going shopping with me tomorrow? Good. Let's go to the second phrase. Why don't you try calling him again? One more time. Why don't you try calling him again? Very good. So I think you have mastered a few phrases on disagreeing with a suggestion politely. Alright, we have come to the end of the lesson. And as usual, I have an interesting activity for you at the end of the lesson. But first, you need to find a partner, a friend, because you have to work in pairs. I'm going to share with you a list of suggestions or opinions. Practice with your friend to disagree to the statements with a good reason. And once you are done, your friends should disagree to the same statements to you with a good reason. I hope that you will be able to use the phrases that we have learned in this lesson on how to disagree to a suggestion politely. I'm ending the lesson here. Thank you and have a nice day.